Hello, I'm back with another video. Hello, I am back with another video. Okay, so after a very long time, finally I've decided to do a makeup video with some changed background setting, you can see. So काफ़ी trend में है fox eye makeup. So I will try and do it. I haven't done it before, but we'll do it. Come on. So let's just get started. So firstly, I have nothing on the face. Let's start. I'm gonna use the Nude12 Colorbar palette. It has all the browns that I need. First we will go in with brushes. Bhi nahi dekh rahe. See my new brushes from our very little store called Arj, available on Instagram. Go and follow. I'll link it down below. I'm taking this brush and a light brown color first. So fox eye is basically eye ke kone pe you have to go upwards. Ooh, nice. Now we'll take this brush, this very chapta angular brush, and take this dark brown color. Oh my god. Angular look. Now patla wala किधर है? This brush, the same dark brown color. Nice. Ooh la la. Now we are going to take this brush, dark brown color, and on the crease. Now what we are going to do is very interesting. Take a brush, take some concealer, and put the concealer like this in upwards direction. Take an angular brush, so you see now we have a very dark brown. I'm gonna take the brush. Kahan gaya? Where is the patla brush? Just found it. Dark brown. This scary part. So the lower lash line and this should be aligned, so you go from your lower lash line. Now what we are gonna do is take the brush, take thoda sa, what should we take, a little goldenish mixed with brown. Now let's do the rest of the makeup fast. Oh, before that we should do our brows. Fox eye ke liye very important is the brow. I'm using Nykaa Brow Girl brow definer. Let's just do the base makeup. Fatafat, come on. This is Nika's. I don't know what the name is. I'll link it down below. So this was the fox eye look. I'll give you a close up. So yeah, we are done. And where is my chashma? I haven't seen myself. Oh nice, good job. For the first time I've done this. Good job. Pat on the back. So yeah, do try this look. Tag me in your pictures. Send them to me on Instagram. You can go follow me on Instagram. The ID is down below in the description box. What are you doing if you're not following me? What the hell? Come on, go. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन. अगर बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा तो शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली, एवरीबॉडी, योर गर्ल गैंग हु नीड्स टू डू दिस. Do a fox eye makeup party, okay, after the lockdown. So till then, I'll see you guys next time. Do press the like button, share, comment. Do let me know any recommendations in the comment section below. वो एक subscribe का button है red color का. Press that. And I'll see you guys next time. Till then, signing off. Fox eye makeup. Spelling क्या है? Fox. Fox, लोमड़ी वाला fox. Oh.